What if I told you that just 30 push-ups a day can reshape your body, build real strength, and boost confidence without any gym equipment or long workouts? No machines, no excuses, no waiting for motivation, just 30 push-ups and consistency. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises. When you lower your body to the ground and push back up, your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even legs work together. This full body activation is what makes push-ups so effective even in small numbers. Doing 30 push-ups every day builds strong and defined chest muscles. Your shoulders become more stable and powerful. Your triceps grow lean and firm. Over time, these muscles become stronger, making everyday tasks easier and reducing injury risk. Push-ups also strengthen the core. To keep your body straight during each rep, your abs must stay tight. This constant tension improves core strength, posture, and balance. A strong core supports the spine and helps reduce lower back pain caused by long hours of sitting. 30 push-ups every day also support fat loss. Push-ups increase heart rate and calorie burn, especially when done continuously. Building muscle through push-ups raises metabolism, which helps your body burn more calories even at rest. This makes push-ups effective for long-term fat loss. Another major benefit of daily push-ups is mental discipline. Some days 30 reps feel easy, other days they feel impossible. Showing up anyway builds consistency, confidence, and resilience. This discipline often spreads into other healthy habits like better eating and regular exercise. Push-ups are flexible and accessible. Beginners can break 30 reps into smaller sets. Advanced individuals can slow the tempo or use variations to increase intensity. This adaptability makes push-ups suitable for all fitness levels. Push-ups also improve posture. Strong chest, shoulders, and core muscles help you stand taller and breathe better. Good posture improves energy levels and confidence while reducing neck and shoulder strain. Breathing plays an important role during push-ups. Controlled breathing helps maintain rhythm and endurance. Exhaling as you push up and inhaling as you lower down improves performance and focus. Consistency matters more than speed or intensity. 30 push-ups every day may seem simple, but over weeks and months the results compound. Strength improves, muscles tone up, and confidence grows naturally. In the end, 30 push-ups a day is not about chasing perfection. It is about building a small, powerful habit. A habit that strengthens your body, sharpens your mind, and proves that real change comes from daily effort. If you want a stronger chest, powerful arms, a tighter core, and a disciplined mindset, start with 30 push-ups every day and stay consistent. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel, also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel, also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.